So today, governments across the UK have announced some upcoming changes to the way people are able to donate. These changes are a culmination of many years' hard work by the FAIR Steering Group, which is a UK-wide collaboration of health professionals and academia. And the Welsh Blood Service has played a fundamental role as part of this group. The aim of the group was to explore if more individualised risk assessment approach to blood donation selection policy would be possible whilst ensuring the safe supply of blood to patients. Whilst blood services are not responsible for setting the rules of who can and can't donate, we are delighted that our hard work as part of this group and alongside our stakeholders has resulted with the development of a series of new regulations that will enable us to welcome more donors to our clinics. There's still work to be done to implement these new regulations, but we are thrilled to be announcing these changes and look forward to welcoming new donors to our clinics in 2021. Thank you.